This year, I am trying out 5 diets.
Huh?
Yep, no body goals. I'm just exploring a healthier lifestyle. Will I crave for chicken on day 3?
I've had at least like 5 different types of cravings for 5 different types of meats.
Or will I want to give up on day 6?
Ugh, I don't know.
You'll just have to stick around and find out as I take you on this journey where I'll be sharing my honest opinions and some recipes.
So it's currently day 3 and I feel nothing, like it feels like I've just been eating vegetables for like 3 days. But
Bruh.
what I will say is that I've had at least like 5 different types of cravings for 5 different types of meats. I actually went to the meat aisles. I don't know why I did that, but you know, like the chicken that's already made, I smelled that and I almost had a mental breakdown. But I am on a mission, honey, okay? I feel like reading Atomic Habits has really helped my discipline. Currently, nothing's really going on. I'm about to go and work out. It's day 24 and I have a lot to fill you in on. Okay, so first of all, like I do have stamina, but that depends on whether I want to use it that day or not. But I do have stamina and stuff and energy. Yeah, yeah, I do. But ever since like I started working out while I'm on this diet, I don't know, my body feels, I don't know how to put it. It feels it feels good. Like it feels light. I think that's the best word to use. It feels light and I'm able to do a lot more things, have more energy. Sometimes don't even recognize my own body. And it's just crazy. Like, what? So, and like I'll do my workout. And once I'm done with my workout, even after my workouts, I find that I still have more energy. Like, what? I can literally go and run a marathon if I wanted to. Okay, maybe that's a little bit dramatic, but and I feel like I'm consistently in a good mood. Okay, let's be honest, I do have some of those days where I'm just like, I just don't feel the day. I'm not feeling today. I have some of those days where it's like that. But lately it's more like I'm consistently happy or I'm consistently like in a good mood, you know, like it's not fluctuating. It's just like consistently. Like this week, I had a great week. Oh, let's talk about the temptation to eat meat. I think like after day 12, that is when I feel like I was way more into the zone of just not caring whether I see meat in the store or whatever. I could literally watch cooking shows without wanting the food on the TV, because literally sometimes I'd be like, oh my gosh, this is just making things worse for me. I think now I'm way more confident a bit in my veggie. I think I've just really gotten into the zone of just being a vegetarian. And yeah, if you have any questions to ask me, just ask me in the comments below. And I have like about 2 more days, and I'm going to be eating a whole lot of meat. But what I will say was that it was so cool how you could like come up with different ways to eat vegetables, different recipes. I was really experimenting. Some of those recipes were like experiments, and then some of them were just like, okay, I took them off Google.